Making the decision to go to university is a life-changing decision for all involved, not just for the applicant, but for the support network around that applicant as well. And there are many ways along the journey that you, as a parent or guardian of an applicant at home, can get involved with the application process and support that person in their application. You could, for instance, engage with some of the websites and online tools they'll be using. The UCAS website, for instance. UCAS.com is a one-stop shop for the young person's application. It's where they can search for courses online, they can compare different courses. All undergraduate courses across the UK are available to search and compare on the UCAS website. You can support them in considering their options, considering things like how far away from home they'd like to move, whether they'd like to move away at all, or perhaps they'd like to stay closer to home, what the cost of living may be in the area they're considering, for instance. There are other tools online as well that you could be engaging with, things like university league tables, which are published on different sites, comparing perhaps student satisfaction rates, how safe they feel on different campuses, a sense of belonging that they have. Again, things like the cost of living in the area around the university you may be considering. And another great way to support your applicant through the process is by going along with them to open days. Open days are the very best way to find out if that institution is going to be right for your young person, for that applicant. It's a great way to engage with campus life in a sort of simulated day-to-day experience. It'll be busy on campus, you'll have access to the tutors from the course you're considering, access to the support services of the university to ask all those burning questions you may have before your young person starts.